Will Rogers is once quoted as saying, "Buy land, they ain't making any more of the stuff." This is indeed true. More to the point, beautiful beachfront property is becoming a very rare commodity here in the Dominican Republic. Historically, the return on investment on beachfront property has proven time and time again to be a solid investment. This drone footage shows a very beautiful piece of oceanfront property located on the north coast, approximately 40 minutes from Samana International Airport. Pending road infrastructure improvements in the nearest town should reduce that by 10 to 15 minutes. The size of this property is 24,550 meters squared, which is just over 6 acres, and plans have been approved to construct a 120-room condominium project, and those can be made available for serious inquiries. Situated in a pristine coastal area, this property is perfect for a touristic or beachfront residential development. For more information about this beautiful oceanfront property, don't hesitate to visit us at drpropertyguys.com. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.